Hey beauties, alright, so come get ready with me. You guys, I'm on my way to go to work. It is 7 o'clock. Your girl gotta be at work by 8 o'clock, but we gonna do the do. Anyways, we are gonna part our hair diagonally. Now you can part your hair however you would want for this half up, half down, but this is how I'm gonna part my hair. Apply my wax stick, and of course, after the wax stick, I am molding and hot combing the hair. And here, pretty much getting ready to place my hair in the ponytail, I spray what got to be. Run my comb through several times just so it can get right through every hair shaft. And blow dry, of course. And that'll be it for the left side. And then we're going to do the same to the right. Alrighty, so now we're going to work our way to the front. We're going to do the same thing. Lay it, spray it, and blow dry it. And then on to the fun, where we're going to start doing the ponytail wrap around the hair extension. So you guys, I placed like 3 thick rubber bands just so it can be on there. And I placed rubber bands after this just so it can be real stiff. So now what I'm doing right now is wrapping the hair. I'm putting my edge wrap, sealing it in with bonding glue, blow dry, and then that's when I'll pretty much add the extension. So now I had ran the glue around the neck strap or edge strap, whatever you call it, and now I'm just rolling the hair around after doing that. And yeah, I have to go quick as possible. This video was gonna be 20 something minutes long, and we got it under 3 minutes. All right, awesome. And like the ends of that hair, we'll pretty much utilize it to create a little feathery look. So now what we're doing is curling our hair like usual. Yeah, when I tell you I was in a rush, I was in a rush. Like my left side, is it my left side? Left or right side? This side right here. I was even spraying like I did on the other side. So I was in a rush. Bear with me. But y'all gonna notice that the curls on the left is gonna fall than the curls on the right. But anyways, you guys get the memo. You guys get the picture. So as y'all can see, I pretty much sprayed got to be sprayed just so it can stay stiff, and I cut the residual tips off just so it can be like a feathery effect. And of course, I'm spraying the crap out of this side with got to be, but the other side, y'all don't see me really spraying, right? Okay, so bet when I had put my clothes on to go to work, you could tell the difference between the left side and the right side. But you guys get the memo though. So that is the final look. That's what I get for being in a rush. But yeah, that's my mini tutorial, y'all. That's the best y'all gonna get. Sis, you snapped. You snapped. And you look good. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all liked it. If y'all really want more tutorials, follow me. Follow me, sis. Bye.